Today we're going to make patio potatoes. You'll need 2 pounds of hash browns thawed for 30 minutes prior to using. I use a southern style. 16 ounces of sour cream, can of cream of chicken soup, half a cup of melted butter, 1 onion, 8 ounces of cheddar cheese, shredded, salt and pepper to taste, and then corn flakes for the top. And then you're going to spray your makes a 9 by 13. I'm going to make half of this, cook it today, and then I'll freeze the other half. This makes a 9 by 13 pan of potatoes. So you're going to want to spray your dish with some Pam, just a light coat. And you're going to want to melt a half a cup of butter, put it in the dish. And then we're going to chop 1 onion. I chopped up 1 onion, or about a cup. I added 1 can of cream of chicken soup. We're going to salt and pepper to taste. Just kind of a little bit in there. We're going to add the sour cream. 16 ounces. We add the full carton. Mix that up. Okay, I added the 8 ounces of cheddar cheese, which is 2 cups. We'll just mix that around a little bit. And then we're going to add the full bag of hash browns. Mix that up really well. I said this makes a 9 by 13 pan. Today I'm doing a smaller pan of it, and I'm going to freeze half the mixture for at a later date, and it does freeze very well. I put half the mixture in the pan, and then I'm going to top it with crushed up corn flakes. You just sprinkle on this to cover the entire top. All right. And then for the other half, I'm going to freeze this in a baggie for a later date, and then I'll put away the remainder of the corn flakes, so I have those for when I bake that half. This will bake at 375 for 1 hour. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.